Ooh.
Poppin', yeah.
Hello everybody. So I don't know if you guys know, but I cut my hair a few days ago and I gave myself front bangs. I recorded the whole thing on video and I kind of liked it. I digged it for the first 20 minutes of having flip bangs. Then I couldn't stand it anymore. I know, what a fail. But it's fine, it's just hair. It's gonna grow back soon. I've actually been trying to use product to just gel it back so it just looks like I don't have bangs. But I did lose a few pieces of hair that used to frame my face. And that's also fine. Today I'm gonna show you guys a wig that I bought on Amazon. It is a lace front wig and it was the most affordable lace front wig that I could find. And I'm hoping that it'll look nice and high quality enough, even though it is a very budget friendly item. Compared to a lot of other lace front wigs, this was the cheapest one I could find that had decent reviews. And it looked really cute in the photo, so fingers crossed that it's also cute in real life. Now, it comes in this really long Amazon box, which I found kind of odd. But I'm hoping that just means it's packed so nicely and it's not folded and it's not going to be crinkled or anything, and you guys are going to be able to experience all of this with me. Now, to follow me on my hair journey and also my life journey and whatever journey I decide to go on, please remember to hit the subscribe button so that you can always be notified that I've posted a new video, because I'm a little bit irresponsible and sometimes I post 5 times a week, sometimes I post once a week, sometimes I post once a year, and I'm about to upload a video from January, but I promise it's going to be a good one. I'm going to use a screwdriver to try to open this. Oh, I don't need it. Hold on. Yes, I got a pink wig. This box is completely unnecessary. But this is short. I got 14 inches of synthetic hair, so it's not human hair. I don't have as many options as if it was human hair. I did used to wear hair extensions back in high school, and when I had the human hair extensions, yes, I could dye it, but for the price, it wasn't worth it for me because I wasn't wearing it every single day. Oh, okay. It's kind of heavy. Let me see. Let me get this hairnet off. Now, this is 14 inches. It is a bob. It looks pretty cute. I've never had a lace front before, so I don't have anything else to compare this to. I feel like the lace is a bit stiff. I don't know if that's a sign of good quality or poor quality. It doesn't seem bad, and I know that a lot of people on YouTube, I've been watching a lot of wig videos, but I know that a lot of people on YouTube, to make a cheaper wig look and feel more expensive, they, customize it with cutting some baby hairs in the front and like increasing the part. Let me show you guys what the part is right now. I'm hoping you guys can see that clearly. Not too bad actually. I don't think my part is that dramatic in real life. I just can't wait to put this on my head. I'm gonna grab out my mirror. I'm gonna put it on with the lace on and everything, and then we'll go into like fixing it up, customizing it, trying to make it look a little less cheap. It has 3 clips in the front, but no clips in the back. But it does have the adjustable straps. I'm sorry. Okay. I really want to show you guys the details in this. I feel like we don't get a lot of closer views. Now, this set didn't come with a wig cap, but the last time I had a wig cap was about 2 years ago, so I don't think I have any. I'm gonna trim around the lace now, but I do want to say I don't love the hair. A lot of people were saying how soft it was and how nice, like, or synthetic that it was, but it feels like it's very tangly. It's not something I would want to pay $30 for. I feel like it's something I would pay maybe $15 for at Party City, but we'll see how the final install looks. And I have good feelings, I'm gonna run it over with some fabric dryer sheets just to see if I can soften up a bit so that's not just tangles and like, it irritates my hand. Like, it feels like plastic Party City wig. But I do like the color a lot. It was the cheapest, higher quality synthetic wig I could find on Amazon. and it came in 2 days, and I can't complain that much. I put in this top knot. I'm okay with it. I'm not mad at it. I think it's okay. I'm about to post an Instagram pic of it. I'm gonna see what you guys say. If someone calls me out like this is the ugliest thing I've ever seen, like return it to Party City, it's gonna break my heart because I worked really hard on this. I really do think if you have a good gel, you have good glue, if you like really carefully snip, you can make it work. I'm just like, you know, of course, for $30, you're not gonna get a hair right out of the bag that's gonna be perfect for you and like looks amazing on you and it's like perfectly styled. So hey guys, sorry I recorded this after the outro, so I'm gonna look different in the outro. I pinned my hair back and I did a little snippety snip for some layers. I think it looks pretty good. You know, just need to glue these flaps down. Hairline's looking good, roots looking okay. And definitely like a lot more realistic now that this is pinned back, because hair naturally does not frame my face like that. I'm okay with it, you know? Just need to glue these flaps down. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. And please, if you like this video, remember to hit the like button. It really means a lot to me because I am a new YouTuber. I need all the feedback and all of the support that I can get. It's been incredibly fun making these videos and testing things out, and I can't wait for my next wig to come so I can show you guys that as well. Please share this video with your friends if they've ever made a horrible mistake to their hair and just needed a wig to cover it up. I will catch you guys next time. Okay, bye!